Let me show you how to find your Act for Outlook serial number. You might need this number just for your reference, or also if you for some reason switch computers and you move things around, you might need this to have it reset for the new computer. So when you're on the Home tab in Microsoft Outlook, if you look way down to the right, you should see these two icons. I'm going to click on the Act for Outlook settings icon, and when I do that, a box pops up. In this box, I want you to observe that up top it says About. When you click on About, it shows you the serial number of your version right up here. Make a note of that serial number or copy and paste it, and then that is your serial number for registration purposes. If you have any questions, give me a holler and I'll try to help you through that. Thank you very much. This is Tony Holowitz. Have a great day. Bye now.